नमस्कार छात्रों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल दत्ता रीडिंग पॉइंट में। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द 10th क्लास सोशल साइंस चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट डेवलपमेंट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ओनली 1 मार्क्स। स्टार्ट। पहला क्वेश्चन आपका है, व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एचडीआई? 3 कंपोनेंट्स: पर कैपिटा इनकम, लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी और लिटरेसी रेट। Second question, what is the most common method of measuring the economic development of a country? वो है आपका इनकम, आय। How has per capita income in India increased from 1951 to 2000? From 255 to 255 only in 1915 and 51 to 16,500 इन 2000, यानी कि पहले 255 रुपये, अब 16,500 रुपये 2000 में थी। विच इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन इंडिकेटर्स फॉर मेजरिंग इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ए कंट्री? नेशनल इनकम एंड पर कैपिटा इनकम, दो ही तरीके हैं आपका, राष्ट्रीय आय और प्रति व्यक्ति आय। विच फार्मूला इज यूज्ड फॉर मेजरिंग एवरेज और पर कैपिटा इनकम ऑफ ए कंट्री? टोटल पॉपुलेशन प्लस टोटल इनकम ऑफ द कंट्रीज। व्हाट वाज द इन्फेंट मॉर्टेलिटी रेट पंजाब इन 2003? आंसर 49। व्हाट इंक्लूड्स इन फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट? कौन कौन आता है इसके अंदर? लैंड, वाटर, एयर, etc. Which South Asian country ranks just first in HDI? कौन? श्रीलंका। Which is the measure of the sustainable development? Green national income, genuine saving and green GNP. Which criteria is the basis to measure the development of country according to the World Bank? Per capita income. Who published the Human Development Report? ये करती है UNDP. For how long the crude oil reserve of the world will last? Last 43 years. Which is the most likely to be a development goal for landless rural laborers? Raised wage. Which criteria is the basis to measure of the development of country according to UNDP? तो इसके 3 तरीके हैं: पर कैपिटा इनकम, एजुकेशनल लेवल ऑफ द पीपल, हेल्थ स्टेटस ऑफ द पीपल. This is the most important attribute of the comparing to development of country: average income. If there are 5% in a family and their total income is 20,000, what would be the average of each person? 4,000. What term they used for report published by the UNDP compare countries based on the educational level of the people, their health status and per capita income? World Bank used the income criterion, that is per capita income, to compare countries. Which one of the following statement define literacy rate? कई बार क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. इट्स मेजर द proportion of the literate population in the 7 and above age group. How can you classify resources on the basis of origin? We can divide resources into categories on the basis of their recycling ability. Renewable resources able to recycle, non-renewable resources not able to recycle. What is per capita income? Define per capita income. Per capita income is the rate of the total income of the country and its total population. It's calculated as per capita income is equal to total income of country divided by the total population. Then we find the per capita income. Define national income. National income is the sum of total value of all final goods and service product produced within a country plus net factor income from abroad during the period of 1 year. टोटल जो इनकम होती है प्रत्येक सेक्टर से उसको हम निकाल लेते हैं. वाई डज केरला हैव ए लो इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट? Adequate provision of the basic health care and educational facilities along with good infrastructure of the healthcare centers are the reason behind low IMR in Kerala. Why is the total income of country not used to make comparison between them? Because in the population different countries different. Among Punjab, Kerala and Bihar, which one has the lowest infant mortality rates? तो ये बताया था केरला has a low mortality rate. How can development be sustained in a economy? Development can be sustained in economy promoting the use of renewable resources such as solar energy, wind energy, groundwater, etc. What was the per capita income in India during 2004? Per capita income in India 2004 just $620 per annum. What are the low income countries? The countries whose per capita income is $825 or less are called as the low income countries. What is the sustainable development? It is that process of development which fulfills the needs of the present generation without reducing the ability of the future generation to fulfill their own needs. What was the literacy rate of Punjab in 2001? 70%. What was the per capita income of Bihar in 2003? 5,700 rupees. What is the per capita income of India in 2004? 28,000. Which neighboring countries has better performance in terms of human development than India? Nepal, Sri Lanka. What are the two developmental goals of landless rural laborers? More days work, better wages. What are the high income countries? The country with a per capita income $10,066 per annum and above in 2004 are called high income countries. Japan, USA, UK, etc. are some of the example of high income countries. What is the meaning of sustainable development? अभी आपको बताया था ये. Define the term infant mortality. अभी आपको बताया था अभी. Define the term net attendance ratio. It is the total number of the children age group 6 to 10 attending school to a percentage of total number of children in the same age group. How can a development goal for one be restrictive for the other? Mention one sustainable example. For example, to get the more electricity, industrialists want to more dams. What it may be hurtful the people who are displaced. Why is the greater income considered as one on the important goals life? because it is the lead to understanding that more income mean more of all things that a human being needs. Define the gross domestic product. Gross domestic product is the value of all final goods and service produced within a country during a particular year. यानी कि जीडीपी जो होती है पूरे साल की जो इनकम होती है उसको दौरान उसको निकाल लेते हैं सब मिला करके. Amongst the state of Punjab, Kerala and Bihar, which one has the lowest literacy rate? तो बिहार हैज़ टू द लोवेस्ट लिटरेसी रेट. तो ये आपके क्वेश्चन थे जो कि आपको एग्जाम में बहुत हेल्प करेंगे. दोस्तों हम शेयर करें. धन्यवाद.